Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am out doing some duties that I have to do before we leave to Mexico. I had to return some things and I also went shopping a little bit while returning things. Nos encontramos like really cute jewelry. I have to just do some last minute shopping and then start packing if I can today, especially my clothes. So I have a week till we leave. So I have to start doing my personal things first, and then I'm gonna do my makeup kit last, just because I have a last quinceañera job here. So I gotta do that lastly so I don't forget anything. Or oh, she has a Buc-ee's sticker in her car. Oh my god. Oh, and the SpongeBob thing. Dude, didn't we see her last time here?
Yeah.
What the heck?
We did. They love going here.
What the heck? I swear I saw that girl. Because she has like a SpongeBob
Driver's license air freshener.
Yeah. But I have this Buc-ee's little thing because my mom took it off of an item she purchased and she left it in my car. We're doing laundry too so that we can make sure everything is clean. Guys, I'm sorry I haven't really been the best vlogger today, but all we did was we got like our stuff done that we had to do. Y luego I had to do laundry because we gotta make sure the clothes is clean. So everything is kind of hang drying. Like I've said before, I love to hang dry my clothes so it doesn't get like damaged, especially things that are super like delicate. Make sure you read the label and know how to wash your clothes. I already took out my maletas too, and hopefully this won't be too hard. I have a better understanding of how I wear clothes in Mexico, because I would always bring a lot of clothes, and in Mexico I would wear the same thing all the time, because in the morning I always dress up comfy, kind of cute for when I work, but then during the nighttime I dress up fancy for these parties that I go to. You know, it's hard to find that balance of like, do I need to bring this, because you just never know. And then I'm an overpacker, so just looking at my makeup collection, I'm already stressing out, like, do I bring all of my blushes or do I just bring one liquid blush? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just like there's a lot going on in my head. All right guys, I'm gonna start going through my closet, and I have my sister holding the camera because I can't put a tripod on my bed. But anyways, let's start with the clothes. Diving in.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I put you in my closet. I don't have doors to my closet. I don't know if you guys can see. I literally have curtains. I used to have doors, but I took them off when I was like 12 because they kept breaking, and me and my sister would always like get our fingers stuck on them. But anyways, I'm gonna start with like the new pieces of my collection. And if you haven't seen my clothing haul with all of these pieces that I'm pulling out first, I'm gonna link it over here so you guys can go watch it, okay?
Yeah, watch it.
This looks terrifying, you guys. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna fit all this, and I haven't even gotten the pants out, ni nada. Lo que voy a hacer is I'm gonna sit down on the floor with the big maleta that I have. I'm gonna bring 2 check-ins and like plus my little carry-on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit down and go through all this clothes. I always feel like I have to bring all of my cute clothes to Mexico, but I'm just gonna be realistic and try to see like what can stay. Because this is a lot of clothes. A lot. Hey guys, so it is currently 8 a.m. and I have to go to a dentist appointment. I have a lot of appointments this week. Like, aparte de que I have to start packing and have things ready for Mexico, I have to get ready for Mexico. So I have more appointments tomorrow too, but I can do it. We can make it through this week. I know we can. It's just a little bit overwhelming, not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna get some water and then head out. But yeah, after the dentist, I also am going to my nail appointment with Jackie. She's like maybe an hour away from where I live. So it's gonna be like a little road trip. And last night, se me ocurrió the idea of creating a TikTok of how I pack for Mexico. I thought it was kind of impossible with the amount of things that I'm carrying, pero vi que también una niña is going to Mexico, and she said she was going for over a month, and I'm only going for 3 weeks, and a month is 4 weeks. So she had a lot of clothes, you know? So I think I could do it. I really like that type of content. It's just like very satisfying. Maybe stressful, but satisfying. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, I'm getting my nails done. Hey guys, so I just came back from the nail place. I'm at Chick-fil-A actually right now, so I'm getting some food because I'm starving. I haven't eaten since this morning. But here are my nails. They're super natural, but I love them. I really love her work. It's so clean and my nails don't hurt. That's what I was telling her, that usually when you get your nails done, they file the heck out of your nails and they're so sensitive, but they don't hurt. at all. And I love the length. It's maybe short for others, but I think this is perfect, especially since I'm gonna be working with them. But yeah, I ordered myself a milkshake and I'm so excited. Hi.
Hey, what's the name?
Gigi.
Alright, just give me just a minute.
Okay, that's fine.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much.
They're so quick at saying my pleasure, bro. Alright guys, I just finished my Brazilian and it didn't hurt too bad, but I honestly don't recommend anything else. I mean, I'm gonna eventually get laser, but this is what works for me for right now. If you're in Prattville, make sure to come to Smart Skin Spa and get my girl Angel to do your Brazilian. Hey guys, so right now, I know this looks crazy, like this whole setup looks crazy, but I'm actually recording a TikTok for like how I'm packing and stuff. Sorry for this lighting, it's horrible. So basically I'm recording every piece of clothing I'm taking and I'm just like plopping it on top of like the clothes. It's gonna take a while for me to edit, so now I can kind of have like a good overview of what I'm taking with me, because I did take some things out. I was like, it's gonna be too hot, I feel like I could wear this some other time, so that was like a good way of going through my clothes again and seeing what I'm gonna actually wear. Okay guys, update. I'm not really showing you guys like how I'm rolling everything and putting it in there, but I actually am using packing cubes for the first time ever. I've never used packing cubes and it's actually condensing a lot of like space so I can put stuff around the packing cubes. I stuffed some sweaters, some sweatshirts, and jackets, and also I'm gonna plan on putting my makeup in both of the maletas. I'm taking 2 check-in bags and I'm gonna try to like put makeup in both of them so that, you know, one's not just fully makeup. I feel like that looks a little less sus, because when I cross the border, they always think I'm gonna sell makeup and that's not what I'm doing. You just never know, especially in that one airport that I'm going to. I fly to Leon. So now I'm gonna weigh my maleta. Again, I have to put more stuff in it, like my makeup, so it probably will be a little bit heavier at the end. But for right now, this maleta is like 34.7 pounds. So that's pretty good. I think first class, you can take 70 or 60 pounds in each check-in bag. So that's not too bad. I can work with that. Okay, and then this is gonna be my other check-in bag. It's a little bit bigger. It's just more comfortable to squish things. But I'm gonna put all my shoes at the very bottom of this. It has like a part where I can open it and all the shoes go in the very bottom. And then over here, that's like all my dresses. And then I'm gonna put my pantalones in here too. Hey guys, so I don't know how much I vlogged today other than the photo shoot, which if you're wondering what are you talking about, the photo shoot, I went and had a photo shoot with Ken and she's like an amazing photographer. I'm gonna have the video linked over here so you guys can watch. It came out so good. But anyways, part of this packing and prepping vlog, I'm gonna go now to my studio, not to pack my makeup, but I still have to like get ready for my quinceañera that I have before I leave. So I'm gonna go and get that ready so that I'm not too stressed out for Saturday. I'm actually so happy that my last job before I leave to Mexico is in my studio. It just makes it a lot easier for me to not be so stressed. But basically the hairstylist is gonna be here in this one chair, and then I'm gonna have the other side, and I have her little extension cord ready so she can just plug up her hot tools. And then I have also my touch-up kits for the ladies ready. But yeah, I have everything ready, so now I don't have to wake up too early to have to set up before, but everything is ready for la quinceañera. Hey guys, so we just got out of the nail salon. I got just a pedicure because I got my nails done already, but we're running some errands that I have to do, like pick up my medalla for my ahijado. So I am gonna be madrina of my little sobrino for his baptism. So I got him like a really cute pendant, and I have to go pick it up before we leave to Mexico. We leave in like 3 days.
Yeah, it is Friday.
Yeah, we leave in 3 days to Nashville. So we're gonna leave from Nashville, and then on Tuesday we fly out. Primeramente Dios. Alright guys, so I just got home from running errands. I finally have la medalla with me. I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful it is. So I got my godson a Virgen de Guadalupe because I thought it looked so good, and I love la Virgen. I'm excited to give it to him. Update on me packing. I finally have like all the things that I think I need. So like personally for me, I just have to pack like my contacts, my toothbrush, toiletries, and then once I'm done with my quinceañera that I have tomorrow, I'm gonna immediately start packing everything. I'm not worried. I think I can fit everything. It's just gonna be a matter of how I'm gonna fit everything. I'm sorry if this video is like everywhere and you're like, what? Girl, you're not even showing us how you packed. I'm trying to show you, but like also like not bore you, because I feel like I'm just I'll see you guys tomorrow once I start packing my makeup kit. Hey guys, so I just finished the quinceañera y ahora me está ayudando mi mom a limpiar mi estudio. También voy a empezar a limpiar mi kit y a empezar a empacar because todavía me falta todo. Okay, Celeste came and she brought me Subway.
Oh yeah.
And she's helping me disinfect all my brushes, like the barrels, like the handles. So my hands are raw from like cleaning them. And she also brought Mr. Nietzsche. He's like, where am I? I don't know how I'm even gonna go about this because I don't typically take a black Revlavel bag that holds all my makeup because it would make my bag a lot more heavy. So I actually don't take everything from the makeup kit. Like for instance, instead of taking the 2 highlighters in my kit, I only bring my Dior highlight palette because it has 4 shades. It's in one palette, so I just do that. And I think I might not take all my foundations. So like, you know, I'm just gonna have to play around and see what I would use. Por ahorita voy a comer. So Celeste is helping me. I think I'm gonna take these touch-up bags to Mexico so that everyone gets one and they can put their powder puff and their sponge in there. Last year, if you guys remember, I took this and this was like my personal carry-on item, and this is really helpful. Actually, I don't think I can take it because I'm already taking like a roll-on carry-on and then like a thing that goes on top of my carry-on. So I'm trying to see how I'm gonna organize everything. And this used to be my old brush bag, and I think I'm gonna take it in here, like all my brushes in here. I still have like a lot drying, so once they're completely dried, I'm gonna put them in here. And then like my palettes, I think I left a metal palette in Mexico, but I'll still take one just in case. And like little items I put on the side, like lash glue and little liners, I'll just put them in this. So these containers are from that MAC bag that I told you guys I took last year. Like I know my liquids, if they're smaller than 3.4 ounces, I can put them in my carry-on, but I think I might just put them down in the check-in bag. My powders, they have to come with me because I know that they're not gentle with the powders. So I'm gonna take every compact and anything that might shatter with me. Okay guys, so the update of what's going on right each. So I obviously want to take where my lip products, this is just a random thing from a trash can, and take the whole thing. And then I have 2 Ziploc bags. Don't look at the label. It's from like my first time traveling with my makeup bag. I have 2 Ziploc bags, and they have touch-up kits that have like the under eye masks, blotting sheets, thank you mint, a lip applicator, and then I have concealers, and in here I have 3 full sizes of the NARS, the light reflecting foundation, the one that I don't like to depot because it changes formula texture. So I brought those because I can finish those in Mexico. And then in here I have my foundations, and I love that they fit in this little square. And then I have a color corrector from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna bring my cream products and my skincare products in here. And then I have a I might not take this because it's pretty heavy, and I can honestly just use this Amber Lace cream or my Bobbi Brown. So I'm gonna take this out. Sorry, buddy, you didn't make it this year. It's my Laneige Glowy Skin Serum. I just don't have enough space, y'all. Then I have a Laneige lip mask in there, some Body Glow from Dior, and contours, like cream contours. And then this side is what's gonna go in my carry-on. So these are like powder palettes or compacts, and my highlighter palette. This stuff is gonna come with me because I don't want it to crack when they throw the luggage. And eyeshadow palettes, my eyebrow stuff, my Pat McGrath palettes, and then 2 big colorful palettes. And then in here I have some liquid shadows, some individual shadows that I like a lot by themselves, like the Urban Decay, Space Cowboy, and Cosmic. And then these right here, they have my powders in there, so that's that. I know Nacho, he wants to leave. He doesn't want to be here anymore. And then I'm bringing my speaker. This has to come with me. And then I'm gonna bring a towel. So this one's dirty. I have to bring a new one. I'll bring 2 towels with me because I don't have any in Mexico. And then I have sponges in here, so that's gonna go there. But I also think I'm gonna buy stuff over there, like micellar water and maybe more alcohol. I left alcohol over there, but you never know. I need probably more. And Q-tips I think I have over there. Hey guys, today is, I think it's going to be my final day of telling you guys like how I prep before going to Mexico. Right now it's Sunday. I just got home maybe like 2 hours ago from my last day of work at the restaurant, and I had to make sure everything was packed because I have been having the worst dreams where I forget something. I've been looking through my home maletas like over and over again, and right now I'm editing my vlog that will be up by the time you see this. It's like my photo shoot behind the scenes vlog. I'm trying to have it up like on private at least so that I'm not worrying about editing and stuff, because tomorrow I'm going to Nashville because I'm flying out of Nashville. So I don't even want to think about that stuff like when I'm over there. And I don't know if I said this before, but I'm flying out with my boyfriend and his family. Yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. And those are my maletas. This is my first check-in. That's my second check-in. This little top piece is my carry-on. And then like this little thing is my carry-on. It's gonna have like my palettes. I have some sweaters in there for cushion, some things from my kit. And I'm also gonna put my laptop and my camera stuff in there. So yeah, it's currently 12 in the morning right now, so tengo sueño. I'm gonna quickly just edit this as fast as I can. No más falta the bio stuff, and then we should be good to go. Hey guys, so we're on our way out to Nashville. Plus I showed on the back. That's all of our luggage. Oh my god. So even my sister brought 2 check-ins and her carry-ons. So we're not simple minimalistic girlies. It's hard to be minimalistic when you're going for a month. So. Anyways, I'm gonna end this pack and prep vlog here. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing how stressed I got, and thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see y'all in the Mexico vlogs. Bye!